Mr. Governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, CFR, Mr. Solution, Onward Table. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Governor is here. Mr. Governor, that's a camera. Mr. Governor, because Umueri, Otuocha, Sinage, Chaligoji,
Anambra East, Anambra State, Nigeria, Your Excellency, anyị kelere gị nne ka isi wee bịa Umueri wee na-asị na ọya adịle gị mma dịle ezinụlọ gị mma okwu iji wee bịa mara mma nke ihe eji wee naghị amaka ele ya ibe ị na-eme dị anyị mma ọchịchị na-achị dị Umueri mma ọ dị Anambra steeti mma ọ ya ekwe m lote na bido Septemba 6 ịbịala ịwa ji m n'October 18 ịbịakwala ijere abịa Otuocha. This is the third time ị na-abịa Umueri adịkwa na ya mma ọ adịkwa na ya mma azụkwa n'osisi unu bụla arụ ọma nya ka ọ na-akụ anị na ya ka onye na onye ji wee dị nya ka a ga-elisi ụkwa jụọ ka dị mmiri gọvanọ anyị na gị dị na mma ịra Umueri dị na mma onye ka anyị ji wee sị na ọgụ ka anyị atụghala akwụkwọ ibe sọlị anya na-eme n'apụga and Soludo ka anyị atụghala akwụkwọ and Umueri dị very happy na ba atụrụ akwụkwọ iwe win ya were ekwu n'ọnụ nwoke ndụ nwaanyị ahụ azụ ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ ọ dịrị nwoke mma ya dịrị nwaanyị mma gọvanọ anyị ọ ya dịrị ya na-ezinụlọ ya mma ọ ya dịkwula Anambra steeti niile mma ndị niile bịa n'ọnwa ọnụ ji wee bịa mara ma ohu na-eju wee na-amaka eli ya wee na-asị ka Chukwu gozie anyị gozie ọchị a anyị taa anya ka ọ dị anyị mmadụ arụsị na Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị.
n'egbughị oge gọvanọ achọrọ ka egbuo nnukwu oge ebe a na-eleru abịa mgbe ebe ọ dị mma pọn ka Mr. Gọvanọ fịa pọn ka ofe anyị ofe anyị ọ bụrụ obere azụ mgbe
no one will even remember not that. Thank you.
Mr. Governor, former member House of Reps, Chief Honorable Chigo Gidigo, the member representing Anambra East, Chief Honorable Barrister, Madam Commissioner for Transport, Mrs. Patricia Ibebike, Esquire, then Okun and Millie, Mr. Governor, Engineer Sajulo Chukwuemeka, then the capacity mayor, Honorable anyị na-echezokwa ndị apụga n'ime n'ebe a chetakwa ụmụdịru ndị okenye na ndị ụkọchukwu ndị otu nọkwa buso na-eme oge
1 kilometer
ndị igwe nọkwa ebe a baatụletu bara aba ndị igwe nọrọ ụlọ naanị ụfụ na Mr. Governor nwere etiti ọ mesiri ife a ga-eme mana maka na ọkpọ ekwe ebe ka ọ bịa ndị si ya gaa ana onye anị ka echere ndị ọjị so on that note ọ dụrọ m ka onwe ihe ọzọ a ga-ekwu na-abụrụ ka ka Mr. Governor kene unu
ife bụ ka a na-eme oke bụ nke ịbụa ndị igwe niile ekene m ụnọ kene m ụnọ happy new year once again ndị m afụbara na the new year ndị kabinet ekene m ụnọ bido na kọmishọna madam kọmishọna dịka ịbụ Umueri ya na-anọghị na Nteje ọbịa na mgbada ebe ne ọja ka iji soro ilu a wee gara ọbịa ahụ aka nna ike eji nye ebe a mba ọ dị registered mba ịfụ na nke adaba ya ma bụ nze egwu Okoye wow ị ka ewu ispanitomi anya ka iji nwa ya na-ekwu kwesịrị celebrate nke a special elegere ndị aka ọma amakwa m nke a na-etu ndị ga-etu ife mma bụ ife anyị kama ebe a na-agba anyanwụ ebube ọma mbala nke ọbụla nye gị adịm enye eze na ndị a na-enye ala Ndị ebe a jekwu gị na ba akọbazie onye nke a bụ na abata na beba amara m ife ndị mara bụ Julius wee jelụọ na Enugu otu Aguleri ọ na-afịa ọkụ na mmiri ọkụ na mmiri ọkụ na mmiri ọkụ na mmiri kedu ọkụ na mmiri a oke ọkwa Commissioner for Power and Water Resources ọkụ ya bụ ọkụ na mmiri ndị ichie niile ọkwa ndị okenye ekene m ụlọ ndị ward chairman anyị ekene m ụlọ apụga APGA Anambra bụ apụga bụ Anambra ndị ụkọchukwu anyị ekene ụlọ onye na-achọ ije ibe anyị bata n'ụgbọ na-aga aga kemgbe bụ ekene ekwubugo m okwu ebe anyị na-ebe na ikene kwa igwe ọzọ mana ndị igwe anọrọ oge nkenere ya ife a bụ ụdị ife nna ala ike ị na-ejegharị na Anambra na-eje commission projects under our PPCP Public-Private Community Partnership maka na idozi Anambra onye na-atụ anya na gọọmenti ga-abịa idozi ebe asị 98% of resources in Anambra are in private hands, and unless private individuals and communities work with government, then the process of, the whole idea of speeding up the process of our transformation will be delayed. Or work at 2%, you get it does it 100% without the other 98%. The other 98% now in private hands and communities. And that's why we need the two. And that's why we're encouraging them the Anambra name who have something. And because I want to say this. Nobody does it. Nobody ever gets enough. Even Elon Musk with over $600 billion. Ọka na-achụ ego ozubero ọgwa ya mkpa ji ya nkịta esile Nigeria solve mkpa ya so nwere onye uzuru but there is a saying, a quote, that no one is too poor to give and no one is too rich to receive. No one is too poor to give and no one is too rich to receive. But I near no ndi nwere ego onye nwere ego. One man by of blessed memory. Also ife na-ewu ewu na-apụta asị na mmadụ nwere ego. Na onye ọbụla nwere ego ọmanye aka na-akpa mgbe a wepụta 20 naira. Ọrụ ego dị ibe na ife abụọ tissue paper. Na onye ọbụla nwere ego na ife dịzi iche bụ quantity. No, a matter of the amount. No, onye ọbụla nwere gịnị nwere. And that's why I say to people, if you can build a road, do something for the community. Obulgodne, you can mobilize and people go to clean the street. The road that leads from your house to your neighbors. Clean the street. You have done something. When I was growing up, during the Civil War, we were all in the village. After the Civil War, I went back to Niger where I did my primary school and lived there through secondary school. But while we were in the village during the Civil War, every morning, little kids, you were given the thing to go. Not only that you swept the compound, but you come out and sweep the road to get from your compound, your land, up to your neighbor's end, the boundary. You sweep. Then your neighbors, they will take off from the boundary again and sweep to their own. So before 7:30 in the morning, the entire community roads, rural roads, were all swept, clean. Today, everybody is waiting for government. Only pure water. If you come back 3 weeks later, it's still there. Nobody. Community service is gone. The sense of ownership of the community is gone. We are waiting for government to come and clean the pathways, clean the roads that we walk every day. It's not going to happen. So I say to people, I'm using the metaphor of Ezokebo and all those well-meaning individuals in Anambra State who have demonstrated exceptional patriotism, philanthropic disposition to our people by giving them where to walk, building roads, building schools. He just mentioned to me that it's a school he's building a hostel for. Okay? That's all. Well, when the Anglicans go at the burial, that's all. But so now get his own 6 feet. Meanwhile, 10 trillion na your bank account, nobody cares. And I'm going to make yourself. Meanwhile, 1 million, one of you make. But again, gold plated, nobody talks about it. But you see, this road, hello. Only a little no making. That's where we are. So we're encouraging Anambra people. It's not the amount of money you have, because the young man from Umueri, my friend, my late friend, Madundum, who did 1 kilometer, a little bit, about 1 kilometer of road in Umueri. The young man made a speech that almost got tears of down. The young man who was a video load on one of them would be long, the aga lumuzo. If on a motiebo old Toyota Corolla. And I don't even know or when say, oh, go to another regent. Where does a bumbu and go? Hey, but I see the regent when I ever the way walls of the regent throw away back to them. Oh, no, no rapping here to one, the net to one, once in back. Yana, that they below with Ikea, Pogodu, the grader, a grade, the good near the Kahapu, the all the bombs. Now, you look at a grade is the mother, hey. When I say, I want to get put the dust. I will go to if condemned oil. So I will say I can dust to happen to you. I just even got the mother come on. And I say, hey, I will go to no, go to even 1-2 meters, or something. I just don't get. Let me about the cameras 1 kilometer. Western Beer Commissioner. Are you getting me? So when people think it will take, it's not true. And the young man said, "Nien wero jeep, not Toyota Corolla kiananya. Manania as we are gonna any cover nyapalaka. Yage wenati Umueri. Onya ili ronono. A young boy must be in his late 20s or early 30s. Very young boy. When I ran for governor in 2010, the father was one of my strongest supporters. Right around, a very small boy. And when I went to Millie John to kick off the commencement of a construction work we had at the Millie John, he actually drove with us with that his Toyota Corolla. So that's when I got convinced. Now, bro, it's in the mind. It's all in the mind. How much now? Billion. It's not true. It's in the mind. Jeep, plane, car. Yada atupukuyanya. And it is a message to a whole lot of us. We have we build Nigeria, abroad, there's one, the other one, from this one we go to another one. There is no end to it. Give back to society. Give back to society. That's what we have come to celebrate. And I will celebrate you mightily, Igwe. Celebrate you mightily. Celebrate you mightily, Igwe. Celebrate you mightily. And why we celebrate people this way, it's not but we know that this one, Olubara the half, Maka Olubara the half, you know. And with technology, Genesis chapter 6 verse 3, can believe the days of man shall be 120 years. Can memorize it, and Nakita with the technology, Mokusia health, it's probably going to be 150 or so. So the Igwe Olubara the half said. Actually, we don't just celebrate people only when they die. Only when they die, we write these things, normal things. He was, professional people need He was a philanthropist and a community leader. When you are a philanthropist and community leader, but Akowa was a community leader. Seek way and let's celebrate the people when they are alive. Celebrate them when they are alive, or if I be here today. We've come to celebrate you, Igwe. Celebrate you. Nanke Enea. Walanya ina free and them mother tana boy and I get. I'm sure you know get bad. And they get prolonged their lives because they can now walk and so on. Thank you very much. And to the rest of the Anambra, thank you all. Thank you very much. Africa morning keko apa universe eba. Omambala universe. You know, I'll get it. Miss Omambala universe. Hey. Omambala to the world. And give one with their face, eh? Give one waka. You see it? Omambala. Hey. Now, Igwe. Okay, now watch it. I listened very attentively. August Eliofo. Okay? Bele. Finding a neighbor. Ukwa ijuwe gana ya kama kalian ka ijuwe bia. Oria. Why boss Eliofo cause this the year. O nwere ife nna ege gante ka okwuo okwurie. Nse na igwe adị egwu. Igwe adị egwu. Ọ dị egwu. Maka nkuzi ya. Ka nkuzi ife a. Ka nkuzi ife a. Ikwere ekwu. Umueri ekene m nọ. Anambra East ekene m nọ. Omambala ekene zuo m nọ. Yes. Emma, Nkemumwa, I have to say one thing. Nkemumwa, I don't respond very well to people to pressure. I react the other way. No. Emma, if I was Anambra na table na part Mankasa. Nka iji egwie ayeme. Nka iji egwie isi ebe a push gide to Jericho. Ọ dịrị ọbụna o mere ogene. And therefore ndị Anambra nkwa na mabụ abụrụ that usual politician who says yes to everything. Mana nwere nke bụ eziokwu okwu sọ ma ya bụ n'eziokwu. That's a problem I nwere everywhere. Flag off roads. Everywhere. I'm loyal. Award to share everybody now. So now award to get. Award to the since okay, Governor Onyaman. But Onyan award there, man. I'm loyal. mana ego adịrọ na anaghị inye ya nsogbu ọ sị contractor move to site contractor eje kpụchaa ilo rapụ ya erosion wee megene so mụnwa bịa sị na okwe ma ọ bụrụ na ego 10 ka m ji lụọ ya ọ bụrụ na m ejiri ego ya ikwugide esi ebe a lụọ ọma mbara river ya ndo thank you biko thank you ma anụgo m ọnụ ya emesịghị bịa ka m na ịkpa ahụ maka ihe ara na-etusi ise a ọ ka tibagharị arụ akwụkwọ ọ na-etu nke na na-etu ọjọ gwana ya na m afụ gị anya emezi ọbịa no rapịa ya bịa ka ntụọ ya aba otukwa ya aba otukwa aba sibịa nnọọ yutiri keriba na keriba ya baca wibadah. So apa gak magazine nanti bandaku youth leader magazine deh kamu sih kamu kusi aku bigo thank you. You see I doga Anambra na apartment kasa itu uzo gesuwega okay ya mozo ma everything else onye gba mezu na ụzọ the almost 9 kilometers jaba Enugu Otuocha Umueri now they go ready for commissioning okay that's phase 1 masị aka ga-enwe other phases mgbe anyị nwetara mgbe anyị kutara ume mana very importantly one for a very, very strategic road. The road to get to Onitsha, Imagine with Omambala. Yeah, a full prosperity for everyone. I Bidogo, the very first phase of it. Okay, look at that. The master plan is there. So I have got the first 8 kilometers or so from Magazine Junction to Y Junction. Okay, Nkolezunaka and Edualize Yakita. I get Edualize here and Onwele Boneje Makankara Pugodi Etua. Now that's very, very strategic. Very, very strategic. It will open up a whole lot of those areas. Then Barabula Saba. Yesterday, and we had a long session within the Nazwafia and Onitsha, the leaders of Onitsha main market. I went for yesterday in a main market to address Anambra. Yes, ordinary Anambra North. Okay? I am one of the biggest market. Now, I will say they used to be said to be the biggest market in West Africa. Or if I'm not quite sure. The last 5 years, Famechi, that market a total of about 260 times. Every Monday, every Monday. It's now about 260 times. Now Buffalo's above across. Okay? River Niger, they continue to abroad to Akaba against where the man. Wow. I were meeting yesterday. And we were great. Years ago, a master plan, Julius knows. 2023, we are a world-class architect. Pano. That main market, and then ago the master plan, if I got 2023. 2024 eji eme ebe a nenegide ebe a nene wee fụgide ife jụrụ ebe a ife nye nsogbu na ya ma ebido ịlụ nke ahụ ozugbo bụ kedu ebe ndị a nọ ebe a ga-eje kedu ebe fa ga-eje ka e wee lụgharịa ya. I gave them two options. Fawelu one. Number one bụ ọ bụrụ na fa kwelu ka anyị jee ma implement that master plan. Yeah, 1 week I level that place. And in 2 years we will rebuild it. Mana, the other option, but we are going to go on a regeneration program. We will recover as much as possible the original master plan of main market. So far, Fadé Walifa Luchi Sie Ebebo Park, the parking spaces in the main market. We just built ECOG Luchi Sie everywhere. Shop. And we told them if people cannot park, they cannot shop. If people cannot drive to the place, where will the people coming to buy? Where are they going to park? If you build everywhere shop, there is even no place for somebody to walk. Because I know everything, Lunya and Gota. Ndi na-ele ose, ndi na-ele tomato, ndi na-ele onions, ndi na-akpọbasịa ife na ụzọ ebe moto ga na-esi aga. Ọnya ume market adị. Mba nọ. Ụmụ anyị ọ ga-ejekwa ebe azụ afịa. And so that we have to be on a rescue mission. Address Anambra women market. I get breathe a new life back into it. And as I speak, today a team has been there, a committee made up of the main market and the adjoining markets, the local government and the state. They have been working since morning. I'm yet to get the report. They're going to go around and all those buildings, several of them, not all of them, because main market had Pack A, Pack B, Pack C. Pack A, Pack B, Pack C. ECOG and which is no, which is river, like bush people. And which is how will people come there? And not in a site. ECOG, you have to for a best space. You have to get the mother guess you were because the place is just dying. But on behalf of Anambra, I assure you, we are determined to rescue main market to its lost glory. We will rescue and restore main markets to its lost glory. But the time I know from now till the end of the year, mother get main market. Onya biakute in Anambra say akailo main market. Okay, they're clear. Our first option, our first and best option would have been to just level the place, and I will level it in what? And 2 years we will rebuild it to a 22nd century new modern market. That's my first option. But they pleaded that let's do a regeneration, a modernization, which my sympathy goes to innocent traders who have been deceived to take shops in those illegal structures. I sympathize with them. It's not their fault. Somebody built it. Probably some government official connived with them to permit them to build it. We are going to have a law in Anambra, and that law will come out very soon. If you give approvals with your name and writing, even if you retire and where you are not supposed to approve, even if you retire 10 years after, we'll bring you, prosecute you, and jail you. cannot continue with this kind of brigandage. Law and order. For us to build that kind of society where our children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren will be proud to live, where the world will come, where we maintain the status of being the light of the nation. It cannot be a lawless place. You go and take motor parks in a market, you build shops. You take pedestrian walkway, you put container. You take every space. People can't even breathe fresh air there. If we decide to level and recover Park 1, Park 2, Park 3, A, B, C, you know that more than 10,000 shops there will go. But we're not going to do that at once. But at the initial stage, we will recover enough parking space that everybody here will be proud to go to main market, shop, relax, and then the world will start coming back to main market to buy. The world will be proud to come back to main market to buy. But again, very difficult decision, very tough. Some people, a few persons will suffer the inconvenience. And again, my sympathies to them, because for public good, for the good of the majority in the Anambra and Nigeria, we have to take this inconvenient decision now. It is inconvenient, but it is to rescue the soul of main market and the soul of Anambra and the soul of Igbo land. Because, I mean, that's Onitsha. It's the largest commercial city in Igbo land. For Onitsha doesn't work. I don't know. We have to make it work. So yesterday we agreed, as I said, the master plan is that, and I mean, I'm sure buildings are being marked by next week. I'm moving in bulldozers and so on and the place, and we'll get on to work. We have to. We have to. Onitsha main market garden at Amma. Garden ma. Eh? Oh. Onitsha main market ga-emegene. Ọ ga-adịkwa na mma ya. Onitsha main market ga-adị mma. Ọ ka adreesị anyị ka ọ bụ. Adreesị anyị ka ọ bụ. With time, in all those rickety old buildings, in their roofs and so on, several of them will need to be re-roofed, repainted, redone. And we're going to give anybody who had a building there, we're going to give them model to remodel the thing and get it better. Otherwise, government will come and remodel it next bill. Every first option 2 kafa choose. It will option 2. Soludo ya. Or the Muinanya. The man the mother be eba. Even a banner got toilets. They took them over and built shops. What is my anomano? No giver. It's UG. But not them. And the final one. But if I'm one, it's okay back to equal. Igwe nwe airport. Igwe nwe gene. Igwe nwe airport. Igwe nwe airport. Oria. Igwe nwe airport. Mana awesome na kedukwanu alusia airport no Umueri. Ya na-achọzi ya land ya na airport Umueri na-achọ ịba na bịa. Ya gbagodo si around, si manteje, si manka, si nka, si abanka dị na were nọta akwa Umueri. Na ọ nwere ọnụ ka a ga-esi paa n'ụzọ a ka ọ ga-aba, ka ọ baa iba, o si esi Umueri, baa Aguleri, ọrịa. Ọrụ ụzọ a ka ị na-ekwu ibe a. Baa Anambra West, gọvancha niile baa ma Anambra West, ọrịa ka ị na-ekwu okwu ya. Nọda na ibe. Ndị Umueri. Umueri uno no piae. Umueri melife, uno melife. election a unu mere ife Umueri kwechiri Umueri megide kwechiri wee sị ma alụrụ ya 3 plus 3 ọkwa ya 3 over 3 hey Umueri my man asị m na ịma onye ọka ndị ọka sị na ịkwa amịka ịka nnụka ya ndị ọka mana nke a na-ekwu ibe a wepụ that road kama idebi ego na I got there, and between now and March, I get it all on it. Okay, then I'm on. Aye, working on Umueri. Working on Umueri. Okay? Okay, on that road, I got right there. Thank you. No, I'm very excited to be here. Well, so, the Anambra, I can't thank you enough. So, Unaemeka, thank you. Jisenike, keep your community safe, keep the economy rolling, our markets open, our institutions alive, and so on. And as we have been explaining to our people, you cannot have a state, Anambra, and Alolo for 4 days in a week, others and Alolo 5 days a week. When investors will be going to other places. Oria, good. You get a mega factory in Abonu, a greater part of the week in the Marade job. This is tragedy. And the image on a Monday, Kedundina Sofia, the poor people. Now, personally, put a vegetable in Leo Bosia. When you personally put out to call the Leo Bosia, and Yabana, on your back, on your menka, the messin. Get your room boss or Bosia, well, all when you're the BND. These are the people who suffer, not government, not Soludo. I mean, I'm not going to make a boss take like Laro and Bob. Laro is a baller. But the state will continue to suffer. And that's why we must all rise up as a people and take back our state. Take back our state. So I want to appreciate all of you and to say once again, Happy New Year, and tomorrow, Happy New Month. New month to tomorrow, yeah? Can try a balls of Macanam and Yeba. Come just lay back and walk as a bother. New time. Yeah, before like I said, I bid on Uza. But I think it's one road. I know I don't do flag off. I don't have a flag off, even commissioning. And when dozens of roads now completed, which I have not commissioned. And tell them, hey, don't worry. What do I say? Eating now, all the very resourceful, very smart. Where will you where remind them?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's rise for the national anthem. Nigeria, we hail thee, our own dear native land.
And so now we are witnessing the departure of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, Professor Charles Chukwuma, from Otuocha, Umueri, where he came to commission the 1 kilometer station road at Otuocha, Umueri. The 1 kilometer Chief Uzebu Koye Road was constructed by the sole effort of Umueri Moya, His Royal Majesty Dr. Sabene Today is Saturday, the 31st of January 2026.
Yes.